Now, the whereabouts of Equity Bank manager David Mashiri Kimani, who went missing on Monday, the 12th of August, remains unknown, with his lawyers informing the courts they are yet to trace him.
Well, his lawyers, who appeared before a trial magistrate, Geoffrey Onsarego, for the second day in a row, insist he was abducted by police officers.
His father is also reported to have been abducted and was later released on Wednesday after a torturous ordeal. Here's Ruth Wamboi with the details.
Milimani Court has directed parties at liberty to file a formal application concerning a missing person. The orders came after the DPP and the defense team pointed accusing fingers at each other concerning the location of an accused person who failed to appear in court for a hearing.
We need formal summons where they can be signing his attendance, or whoever they delegate to sign his attendance would actually take up that, because we feel this was an ambush to a person who is actually not present and not known where he is to defend himself.
The court said the miscellaneous application placed before the court remains in force until the missing suspect, David Mashiri, is presented in court. Mashiri is implicated in a 1.5 billion shillings scam at Equity Bank last month.
This court is now functus officio with application for habeas corpus. On the issue of contempt of court, parties are at liberty to file a formal application.
And trial magistrate Rose Ndombi has ordered the release of travel documents belonging to a complainant, Sheila Wanjiru. It is alleged a businessman, Jackson Kamau, had detained it over a payment dispute. While issuing the ruling, the magistrate noted the issues raised by the petitioners, but Mary, since illegal detainment of government documents was unlawful.
Any alleged contract, if at all it was there, to Algeria, to be specific to Algeria. My client wanted to go to Europe, not Algeria.
The complainant had expressed concern that the businessman had failed to process a 6-year visa to Europe for treatment.
I will direct that the passport presented before this court be released to the applicants, given the reasons for medical condition that needs attention. The same to be released to the applicants' hearing. The accused person will be at liberty to make claims as to the payments for the visa if proved that work was done as per the agreement.
Elsewhere, the court has prolonged orders halting police officers from arresting businessman Jimmy Wanjigi. Justice Bahati Mwamui extended the orders to September 19th, but cited the application filed by Wanjigi only touch on issues of arrest and not prosecution. This even as Wanjigi's employees denied 3 offenses related to possession of illegal firearms. Appearing before Principal Magistrate Rose Ndombi, the 4 who have been in custody since the Nane protest denied the charges and were released on a cash bill of 100,000 shillings. The pre-trial is set for September 6th. Finally, for the second time, Lucinho Kabi Mathenge was not present in court to take plea for obtaining 640,000 shillings from John Garuya in pretense to sell a piece of land in Rwai. The lawyer for the accused, Githonga Muruki, argued that her client is sick and elderly, asking for 7 days before producing her in court.
Counsel for the accused is misleading the court because I am aware that the accused person is outside here in her motor vehicle. I have the registration number. I can read it out to the court.
I don't know where she got that information. Maybe she can even just do a search, maybe under KRI, and tell the courts here that this is the number that belongs to Hussein Yokabi Madek.
Makadara Local's Principal Magistrate Mary Njagi gave 26 August 2024 for the accused to avail herself to court for the plea taking and thereafter all arguments to continue. Ruth Wamboi for Easy Friday.